Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Divine Healing channel. And as you know, in my last video, I have talked that how the negative energy in one's house can affect everybody, and what are the ways or how one can know that their house is having a negative energy. And in this video, I'll be talking about easy ways to remove the negative energy at the home and fill the home with the positive energy. When we say my happy home, but sometimes we walked into the home and you feel a little bit of heavy or off the place. It is okay because sometimes there is a negative energy in the root, but do not worry. In this video, I am going to share few tips, techniques and methods which one can use and convert the negative energy into positive energy. So let's begin. And the first tip is to remove the clutter of your house. Yes, you heard me right. Remove the clutter of your house. Clutter can be anything, maybe extra clothes, extra utensils, extra gadgets, all this extra thing which you are not using or which you haven't used in so long and you are not going to use in future also. It's all clutter which you have to get rid of. Also, the dust, right? The dust is also a part of negative energy, and as we clean out our house, we do dusting every day so that the dust won't get accumulated, right? In the same way, we have to clutter other things also. And first, most important thing is to clutter electronics. Yes, you heard me right. Clutter electronics. This electronic which is near us, that's of course one has to get rid of all this. Then you have to smudge it and smoke it out. Yes, smudge it and smoke it out. And I am going to share a few tips how to smudge, and in the end of this video I will be sharing all the things which I have talked throughout this video. What are the things I have recommend to smudge the house, and you can use whatever is available with you. Smudging is the oldest practice of energizing any space which the smoke that comes out when we burnt any sage. And one can use any different sages. Now it's available even in India. Now we get the smudging cups, and that's the very easy. One can use the whole cup if you want to energize the whole house, or one can break into small pieces and they can use that also. Another is also you can use camphor. Yeah, nowadays camphor is available in all the Indian stores, and that's the one best technique to remove negativity faster. Also, one can use sweet grass, Palo Santo, Franken resin are the few names which comes for the smudging. Nowadays, smudging kits are also available online, and you can also get into a store. So it is very easy for one to go and get a smudging kit. Nowadays, on the smudging kits, it's already written what is this smudge are made up of. So you can use accordingly or whichever you liked it. And if you are very much, if someone is very much sensitive to the smoke, what one can do, one can open up the windows or the doors and then they can smudge, so that the smoke which is coming out from the smudge will go out easily. Also, I'm going to share you how one can prepare a smokeless smudge in your own house. Yes, smokeless smudge with few ingredients, one can use that. Also, nowadays we get essential oils, so you can also use essential oils in a spray bottle filled with the water, and you can spray in your house or a space which you are planning to clean. So the oils which has removed negativity are lavender, lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree oil. These are the few names. And also, people who are using oils, they must be knowing that there are other, besides whatever names I have taken, there are other oils that are also available to remove negativity. Of course, to make this smokeless spray, one will need a bottle, a spray, small bottle. All the things which I'm going to share it in the description box, so one can prepare the smokeless spray at home and use it every day, once a week or 15 days as your requirement. So now I'm going to share how to make this spray. So first of all, one will need 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, 3 drops of sage essential oil, 3 drops of sage essential oil, 2 drops of lavender essential oil. You heard me right, 2 drops of lavender essential oil. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Yeah, either you can take it as sea salt, or what you can do, you can make it a powder and then you can add it so it will be easily diluted. And then distilled water. If you do not have distilled water, any water will work. And if you have a quartz crystal in a small size, you can also put that in the spray bottle. It's your choice. If you would like to, you can add, and that's also going to help. So for what you're going to do, you are going to add all the ingredients first except water, and then you can fill the water 3/4 bottle with the water, and then you can shake it, and you can start, and then you can shake it so well so that the oil and the water will mix up together, and then you can start using this spray right away. And this spray will help you to remove negative energy, and also it will convert any negative energy into positive energy. Also, one can use the intention to use this spray, saying that this spray is going to convert negative energy into positive energy. Also, what one can do, that you can take a Himalayan salt, or if you do not have Himalayan salt, any regular salt, and you are going to take a glass bowl or a glass bottle. Yeah, I do not want to take plastic, since plastic absorb the negativity a lot. So what we are going to take it's according to your needs, or it's according to your requirement. So you can use a small bowl or medium sized bowl, or you can use even glass bottle. But when you use glass bottle, make sure that you do not close the cap. Yeah, you have to keep it open so that whatever negativity is around the house or around the place where you're putting this salt, the salt is going to absorb all the negativity. Yes, salt absorbs all the negativity very fast. And also, the one thing I would recommend, that in your bathroom, especially where you have the toilet tubs, around the toilet tubs, I would recommend you to put the salt, because the most of the negativity which comes in your house is through the bathroom or through the washroom. So when you put this salt, you can also give intention that this salt is going to absorb all the negative energy from this area. Also, on this salt, one can use any essential oil, and it is going to be very, very effective. Any oil of your choice, or oils which are going to remove negativity. And also, nowadays we get camphor oil, and camphor works really very good to remove negativity. So you can put few drops on the salt, and you can place that bowl of a salt or a jar of a salt in an area where you would like to remove negativity. Also, you have to replace this salt every 15 days. But if you feel, or if you think that there is more negativity around any area, what you can do, maybe every week you can change, or if you feel like you can change every 2 days or alternate days. For a few days to remove the negativity. And once you feel that now there is a lightness, and once you feel that the negative has been removed, you can change every 15 days or every week. And so where you're going to dump this all salt, I want you to dump this salt in the toilet sink and flush it, because we are going to flush out this salt. We are not going to dump outside our home. But I wanted to flush it out. Also, you can flush it out in the kitchen sink, and when you just put the salt, after that, turn on the tap and let the water goes, and wash out all the salt. So this is also going to work if you cannot flush out the salt in the toilet sink. Also, one can rock out the positive vibes in the house, like in the morning, right? Especially if you are Hindus or if you're Indians, we all have a prayer room, and when we do our prayers, we do have the bell, and we use this bell, right? We use this bell, and what is the purpose of ringing the bell? It is called the sound vibrations or the sound energy, and this is going to work as well. So what you can do, you can ring that bell around maybe in your prayer room, and also one can use this bell and go around the house, so that the energy of the house is going to convert into very good positive energy and happy energy. Also, one can use singing bowls or a tuning box or the chimes, whatever you have or what you feel drawn to. Even if you play drums, I don't want you to play drums like louder, but yeah, in a softer way. You can also go around the house taking any of what you feel like, and like convert the energy into positive happy energy. In my all videos, I always encourage you to play mantras. Yes, you can play mantras in your house, and you can also, what you can do, you can put it in a place where the vibrations of the mantra will go into entire house and in all the rooms, so that the energy which is coming out from this mantra is going to energize your whole house. Yes, you heard me right, it's going to energize the whole house. And as you know, I am a big believer of mantras, because mantras carry all the good vibrations energy. Because I do believe in a mantra, because each mantra has a very positive energy and positive vibrations. That's the one reason I always recommend you all to use any mantra of your choice. Also, I would recommend to wash your floor with a salt water. Yeah, I mean, if you are mopping your floor, so what you can do when you mop the floor, in that bucket, whatever solution you're using, you can use that along with the water, and also you can dissolve some salt. Yes, you can dissolve some salt, and then you can mop the floor, so that the salt water is going to absorb all the negativity, and this is also one way to convert negative energy into positive energy. Also, I want you to keep your wardrobe, your bedroom, your children's room, along with your children's study table, or if you have an office at your house, I want you to keep it neat, clean and tidy. Yes, neat, clean and tidy and well organized. So one can use rose petal. Rose petals can be of your choice. You can put it in a ball or in a red cloth, and you can place that where the kids are studying at the study table, or any area of your choice. And this is also going to help and convert the energy into positive energy. Nowadays, almost everybody, especially young generation, as soon as they wake up in the morning, first thing what they do is they take their cell phones. Yes, they take their cell phone and start checking all the messages, start replying on the WhatsApp and also. I would recommend not to use first thing when you get up in the morning. Yes, when you get up in the morning, I do not want you to touch any electronic item just for 5 to 10 minutes. Because when we wake up, so for first 10 minutes, our subconscious mind is very active. Yes, our subconscious mind is very active. So whatever we see, whatever we say, or whatever we think, is going to go into subconscious mind. And that's what's going to happen. Instead of going to your laptop, or if you're using a phone, try to say a small prayer, and also try to say small gratitude prayer. Because when we say gratitude, or when we say thanks, we will get more things to be thankful for. Yes, you heard me right. And that's the reason we should always say gratitude prayers first thing in the morning and before going to sleep. Yes, you heard me right. Before going to sleep, one has to say gratitude prayers and positive affirmations, because when we go to sleep, our subconscious mind is very active and working really fast. Now, one another way to energize your home or to convert positive energy in your house are crystals. Oh wow, crystals. I love crystals. That's my favorite. I do not have too many crystals put in my house, because I already have positive energy in my house. But yes, there are few which I have put, and I really love crystals. The energy of crystal is so vibrant and so loving. So that I really love crystal. My favorite is rose quartz and the amethyst. That's are my two favorite. Also clear quartz crystals also are one of my favorite too. If you want to know more about crystals, nowadays there are so many websites available, and also now there are so many places which sell crystals. So one who want to protect their house, they can use black tourmaline crystals around the property and the entrance of the house. Even clear quartz crystals are also good to remove negativity. Whichever crystal you feel drawn to, you can use that also. Also, one can use camphor. Yes, nowadays people who are from India, you must be knowing that there are on special auspicious days on their or on special days in our house, we smudge the whole house with the sage or with this camphor. And the camphor is the very easiest way to remove negativity and convert any negativity into positive energy. So what you can do, either you can use the smudging cup and you can put the camphor on the top, or you can use camphor by itself. But when you use camphor, I want you to be very careful, because it is highly inflammable and the camphor make really more smoke. So when you are taking this camphor around the house to smudge to your house, so you be very careful while you're carrying this camphor smudge around the house. But you will see the difference right away. When you smudge your house with the camphor, you will see the difference, that this is converting your house energy into a very positive, happy energy. Also, one can use diffusers. Yes, one can use oils diffusers, and also in the diffuser you can use oils of your choice along with the camphor oil. Yes, along with the camphor oil. It is available mostly in Indian stores. Also it is available online also. So you can use camphor oil in the diffuser, so you not only get a nice aroma from the diffuser, but also your house energy is going to convert into positive energy. Also, I want to say something to you, that the first thing in the morning when you wake up, try to open the curtains and the blinds. Yes, try to open the curtain and the blind and let the sunlight comes into your house. And also you can give intention that the sunlight coming from this window, or the light which is coming from the sunlight, is going to bring lot of positive energy into my house and converting my house into happy and peaceful. Nowadays, we also get the plants which we can put into our house, and this plant energy is going to convert our house into highly positive energy. In this plant, one can put the clear quartz crystal, which is also going to enhance the energy of the plants, and it is also going to help to create a more positive energy into our house. Also, you can use peacock feathers. Yes, you can use peacock feathers to energize your house. You heard me right, but it has to be real. The peacock feather has to be real, so you can put it around your house. This is also going to help you to convert negative energy into positive energy. You can tape up the peacock feathers behind the door of your entrance of the house, which is going to help to keep the negativity outside your house. Yes, you heard me right, which is going to help to keep the negativity outside your house. You can also put peacock feathers in each and every room behind the door, so that no negativity will enter in your room or in your house. You can use this peacock feather anywhere in your house where you want, that you should get a highly positive energy. And why peacock? Because peacock feather is considered to be a very pure and pious. Yeah, so peacock feathers brings a lot of positivity, joy and happiness when we keep that peacock feather in the house. But we have to make sure that you are having the real peacock feathers. Yeah, the real peacock feather really helps and works. So now I'm going to share all the things which I have said in this video. So you can use anything which you feel drawn to, or whatever you have. First thing is the smudging kits. Yes, smudging kits are now available very easily everywhere throughout the world online, and they have special stores. Second is the smudging cups. The smudging cups are available, especially in India. It is very easily available, but also the places where they sell smudging kits, there also the smudging cups are available. Then it's the camphor. Camphor is very easily available in all the Indian stores, and it comes into white small balls. Also, you can use camphor oil instead if you do not want to use camphor balls. Then you can use crystals. Yes, crystals was amazing. Also, one can make the spray, smokeless spray, and use that to clear out the energy. Then plants. Yeah, you can use plants which are easily available everywhere, and you can put it in the house. Then peacock feathers. Of course, peacock feathers works wonders. Also, then mantras. One can play mantras. One can also use singing balls, tuning forks, ringing bells, chimes, whatever you have it, you can use all these things. So these were the few tips which I have shared. I hope you guys like this video and all the tips which I have shared. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. Also, I want to say thanks to all who have not only subscribed to my channel but have shared these videos with their friends and family. Thank you guys. If you are new to my channel, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to turn on the notifications button so that when we upload new videos you will get the notification. I also wanted to say thanks to my team who is working really hard, remaining behind the scene and making sure every week you guys can see my new videos. So thank you guys. I wanted to say thanks to my lovely, beautiful Guruma. Thank you so much, Guruma, because she is the one who has helped me to write down all the tips. So thank you so much, Guruma. I really love you. So if you're interested in any of my services like healing, healing can be physical healing, can be mental healing. Also, healing which I do is for the family healing. And family healing is the healing in which if you are not getting along with anybody in your family. Also, this family healing works really well with the relationships of husband and wife. Yes, you heard me right. Relationships between husband and wife. Also, if you're interested to learn positive writing and positive affirmation, definitely you guys can also contact me through my email ID. If you're interested in having an angel card reading or angel reading, definitely guys you can contact me through my email ID. Right now I am providing all these services online through the Zoom session or over the phone. So definitely you guys can contact me through my email ID, and definitely I would love to help you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Till I see you next time, keep smiling, be happy, be safe, and try to spread the happiness around you, your family, and around your neighborhood. So I will see you next week. Till next week, I, Sangeeta Patel, take care, leave with lots of love, light, and angels blessing. Namaste to all.